Welcome to Machinery World.
Good afternoon, madam. I am from madam. I am running a YouTube channel. You are welcome to my channel.
In CNC we have many products, and if you are looking for a CNC range, then this is our high-end product. It is our A plus model, 1325 A plus model, and this machine is having extra advantage. This machine is having roller for holding the thin materials. Like some customer wants to cut the thin materials like thin MDF and plywood, so they can't hold by the clamping. So this roller is helpful for cutting the thin materials and making the small design. So this is our high-end product and very heavy design machines. You can see the difference of that router and this router. So thank you. If you looking for a eco-solvent printer, if some customer belongs to our from advertisement industry, if some customer wants to print a vinyl, adhesive vinyl, wallpaper and one-way vision media, translate media, then you can print by this printer. This name is eco-solvent printer with the i3200 head. This machine is having i3200 head, action head with single head, and working area is 6 feet. It means 1.8 meter maximum width media you can print by this printer. And this machine is having Honson board, top brand Honson board. So this machine is very heavy machine. So if some customer wants to start their business in advertisement industry, so they can take this machine. This machine is very helpful for them. Thank you. And if some customer want to start their business from signage industry, so this is our laser machine. The working area is 3 feet by 4 feet. This machine basically used for making this kind of designs. And if you want to cut acrylic, then you can do and MDF and this type of designs, and you can check our MDF product. Then you can cut and make this kind of products also by this machine, and basically used for the making trophy making, shoe industry, bag industry, so trophy making. So this machine is also a multi-purpose machine. So and you making a signage industry, signage industry, this machine is very useful. And this machine also same laser machine, but this is having a servo motor, and this is totally imported machine. Right now this machine is having 150 watt power laser tube and with the servo motor. So this machine working area is higher than this machine. This machine working area is 8 feet by 4 feet. You can check, you can cut by this machine acrylic product like this, and you can cut MDF also. You can cut PU material, leather material, and you can engrave also, engrave products on mirror, and you can doing the mirror engraving and granite engraving for making the like name plates working. You can do by this machine. And this is our fiber cutting machine. If somebody looks for a small machine for starting a small business, then this machine is very useful for making a keychains product like this. If want to making iCards like this, then you can engrave visiting cards. And if somebody wants to print on Bluetooth, charger, LED bulbs, okay, so this machine is useful for this kind of application. This machine is many kind of applications, okay. So you can check the quality of this machine. This machine is also imported machine. It's having a max source with 2-year replacement warranty. So we have many other products also in our Chennai office. Like if you are looking for a banding machine, channel banding machine, and CNC routers for stone cutting, and printers and metal cutting machine is also available in our office. And we deals in all kind of spare parts also. If someone looking for the spare parts, like if someone needs this galvo, if someone need max source, if someone need laser tube, mirror, and lens, etc. So all kind of spare parts is also available in our office. So please contact us. Thank you.
See, madam, we have seen some wonderful machines here, and I find to be all these machines are very useful. And those people who are interested in starting some kind of industry with a lesser investment, naturally they can find out many options here. And of course, a lot of people will be just getting motivated to this type of industry. And you have shown all the machines in working condition. And this is just like an inspirational video, and moreover, it looks like to be, and it is going to be an educational video. Okay, madam.
Yes,
So,
thank you.
so how these people can just reach out to you, madam, because for contacting you.
Yeah, definitely. This is the main question. So thank you so much for asking this. Actually, if someone wants to connect with us, like if someone wants to start their business B2B or B2C, then everyone connect with us because we are looking for the dealers also. If someone want to start their business as a dealer, then can contact us in Dutch Enterprises. And this is my card, myself Preeti Chaudhary. You can take the number of, my number is 9582 999901. So everyone, if someone wants to contact with me, so you're welcome.